Hey dudes, George here, and today I'd like to show you quite some funny videos. Now the first one is some girl that, well, burps. Yeah, it sounds weird, but check it out. Not to be rude, little girl, but I think I could do that better. Oh, shut up. On this next video, I'd like to show you a funny one as well. Some random kid in a Rollercoaster is very weird, and well, I'm nothing like him at all.
Feet on the rail. Janice! I'm falling! Janice! I'm so done! I'm stuck! Janice, I'm stuck! This hurts! This hurts! This hurts! This hurts! Oh, this hurts! Oh, buddy, this hurts!
Weirdo! Alright guys, and last but not least, we have Quagmire. I like to call him Quagmire because you'll see why.